Are you concerned about those black spots around your windows? They can easily appear if you have older homes and weakened seals around windows. Window mold also appears when there is a big difference in temperature between outdoor and indoor of a house. The condensation and moisture will help mold grow. Because the spaces between windows and window frames are so tiny, window mold removal can be a tedious and time-consuming job. If you are considering removing window mold on your own, you should first know that most household products simply are not strong enough to eliminate certain types of mold. Professional window mold removal will not only save you time but will also minimize damage to surrounding window frames and adjacent walls. Contact us today for expert mold removal. Mold Busters offers window mold removal services across Ontario and Quebec in Canada. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.